Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where taskbar is frozen, I mean nothing is working on this taskbar here, then please watch this video. Now we have a solution here and thousands of people are saying that it helped them, and if 2045 people are saying that it helped them on the Microsoft Answers forum, then that means that hundreds of thousands of people have actually been helped by the solution. It is very simple. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager window. Wait for it to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process, select restart. Your screen will flicker for a while and that's normal. Wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes and then it will fix the problem permanently. So why did we reset the Windows Explorer process? Because the complete taskbar is a subset of the Windows Explorer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.